In the previous session, we already created a page to show user information. Now in this one, we're going to modify our edit profile page so that user can edit their information anytime they want. But first, we're going to fix the issue with the avatar here. Let's go back to our project, open F, view, share, navbar, right, and go into the image avatar here. We need to change this one from underscore to hyphen, just like this. Save it. And let's go back here, hit refresh. Okay, cool. Looks good. Now for the profiles page, we're going to add two new fields, phone number and description. So open views, device, registration, edit.html.erb. So here, I'm going to copy this one, copy, paste, 2. All right, and this one is going to be phone number. We change this one to phone number, and this one is description. Description. All right, while this one actually is going to be text area, and we're going to say rows is going to be 5 rows. And columns is going to be 25. All right, let's make it that way. Come here, hit refresh. Okay, cool. So now we got the nice one. Actually, we can make it a bit bigger by changing this one to 3 and make this one, well, it makes this one to 6 and change this one to 3. Save it. All right, much better. So now I'm going to create a size menu on the left hand side. So let's do it. First, I'm going to close this one, and in fact I'm going to say div row. Inside here we got div columns md3, copy, and of course we're going to create another one. So we divide 2 columns. All right, so in this one, I'm going to say UL class is going to be sidebar list. Inside here, we got LI sidebar item. And we just create a link to name edit profile. And the link to that is edit user registration path. Oops. And of course we're going to set a class for it. It's going to use sidebar link active. Let's say that. Okay, and in here just make a break, and we're going to create another link to. It's going to be view my profile, and it's going to be user path to the current user.id, and the class is going to be btn and btn default. For this one, well, actually for this one I'm going to open these. Yep. So we just need to make something here first. I'll change this one to text center. For now, just call out this one. Here we got the panel default. Inside here we got panel heading, div panel heading, and we say your profile. And inside that we got panel body. Inside the panel body we just create a container. All right, and now I want you to just call up this one, and I'll just copy this, the whole form, and put it into here. All right, save the file, and we no longer need those things. Save it. All right, seems to be good. Let's come here, hit refresh. Hey, looks great. We got a new style. Awesome. Now I'm going to add some style sheet for the sidebar menu here. And let's go back here, open F, style sheet application.scls. So in here, let's scroll down at the bottom. First, I'm going to say forms, and we just override the form group class of Bootstrap, and we say margin bottom, let's say 25 pixel, and for the form control, we say border radius, we set it to 2 pixel, and and for the height, we say foreign. Okay, and next we got a sidebar, and let me create a sidebar list, and it's gonna be padding left, we change to 0, and list style is gonna be none. For sidebar item, padding is 10 pixel and 0. Font size we're going to set to, let's say, 16 pixel, and color is going to be 82888A. Another class sidebar for link, color, and text decoration none. And then we got a sidebar link, hover dot sidebar link focus. We set the color, text decoration, of course, none. Okay, now the last thing we got is active sidebar link, color is gonna be, and then for the font weight we say bold, and text decoration none. Alright, that's it. Good. Come here and hit refresh. So we're done with the user interface. Now notice that the phone number and the description are the extra fields we just add into the user model. So to be able to update the phone number and description, we need to tell device to update those fields. So go back to our project. I want you to open F, controllers, and application controllers. So here, account update. Inside the key, we need to say phone number and description. All right, certify. Now, whenever you add an extra field into the user table, if you want to update those, you need to tell account update on the sign up. If you want to sign up with extra fields like mobile number when they sign up, you need to put it here. All right, something like that. Okay, now let's go back to our web page, and let's say, notice that I'm just logging as Ironman. I log in with Facebook and see what's happening if I try to, let's say, update this one. Hit save. It said the current password can be blank. This is because whenever you want to update the change, you need to type your current password to confirm that once. But because I just signed up with Facebook, so I don't know what the password is. Remember that in the models user.rb, right? So when you sign up with Facebook, device just generate a random password for you. So we don't know which password it is. To be able to get this function work, we need to allow user to update the profile without providing the current password. So I want you to open views, device, registration, edit HTML, which is this one. And I'm going to remove the current password, which is this one. But that is not enough. We need to override the update resource function of device. So let's go back to controller. First I'm going to close everything here, so easy to read. controller, motor, views. All right, so I want you to open controller, and under here, we're going to create a new file named registrations controller.rb. Make sure that you got the S at the end of registrations. All right, and here we got the class registrations controller, and we got it from device registration controller. So here we got protected, and we just override the update resource methods. We got parameter resource and params. So in here we just need to say resource dot update without password, and we just need to pass the params. Right, so with that we say, hey, so from now on, if you want to update your profile, feel free to do that without providing the current password. Now, after you've done this, we need to tell device about this change. So under config, open browse.rb. And here inside the controller, we got commerce, we got registrations. And then we pass the registrations. All right, save the file. Let's go back to our project, and I want you to go to profile, or you can go to click here and click edit profile. Now first I'm going to change this one to demo1 and phone number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and description this is, well, 20 stack, or we can change this one to 20 stack. All right, let's see what's happening. Hit save. Hey, your account has been updated successfully. Beautiful. Click on this one to close. And we got 20 stack. Beautiful. If you open edit profile, yep, we still got one. Awesome. So that's it for this session. You learned so many things here that you could apply to any apps. In the next task, we're going to work on the function that allows user to create their room on the platform. I'll see you then.